Hello, today I will be showing you how to create a new notebook for OneNote application online through Microsoft 365. First, you will need to go to this website. You can copy and paste it. Let it load. You will sign in with your school account. I will be showing you today the online version, but the fastest way to create one is not to go to the OneNote application. It is actually to go to OneDrive. From here, you will click New OneNote Notebook, and for testing purposes, I will name it Test. You will create the notebook's name whatever you want it to be. Okay, now it's open. I will explain everything as we go along. The share function is how you share it. If you want to share your notebook, you click it. You unclick this check mark so that the person does not have to sign in every time. You can get a link so they can view only, or someone can actually edit your notes. You can see who you shared it with, and since I have not shared it, I am by myself. Or you can invite people. For example, I will pop up immediately since it is technically mine. All you do is you click share, and it's been shared. Okay, on the side here you'll see the notebooks. A section, basically like a tab in your binder. It will be able to tell you what each section is and what your topic is. But your notebook is like your main subject. If it's like math, it's gonna be math. Under here will be like section 1, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Each page will create a different page under it. So like if it's chapter 1, section 1.1, chapter 1, section 1.2, etc. For a title, this is your first title of your whole section. So if I wanted to do math for page, that would be the name of it. You can come over here, right click and click rename, and I can type chapter 1 to say this is the chapter 1 of math per se, or to make this even more understandable, math 1.1. So it changes it live. No, you can change it however many times you want it to. From here, this is the cool part. You can click anywhere on here you want, and it will create a text box. So I can type hi. So you can really click and type wherever you want to, which is really cool. Now the next cool function that I like is a tag. So you can change it in as many times as you want. You do not have to worry. So let's say I want this one to be a critical. So now it's marked with critical. So now I can come over here and look on my notes and see what I had as critical, what I had as remember for later or highlight it, which is a really cool function. What else you can do? You can go to insert. You can enter table graphs. So let's say I want a 5x4 graph, and it will insert a 5x4 graph. Since I was already clicked on here though, it will also include it with this actual message, which is the coolest part. You can do everything that you can do on any other Microsoft software, like symbols if you're doing certain math stuff, or you can do pictures online, which is cool. If you let it load. Searching for goo on this, so yeah, if I want to insert the flash, I can insert it in this one box. So I mean, to zoom out like I did, you hold control and move your mouse back, but I just did this to show you the picture. It inserts it inside there. If you wanted to click out here and then insert the picture there, you can do that same thing too. So you can really do a lot of different things with this. If you want to add another section, so now I have a chapter 2 and a chapter 1, and yes, you can set the color to whatever you need it to be. Add a new section, add a new page in there, or delete it. So if I wanted to delete chapter 2 because I did not mean it, it will delete it. You can go to your notebooks, and this will tell you what you actually have notebook-wise. Since I've already done this, this is what will pop up for me. I do have notes under here and under here, So it's really just however you want to use it. This is the online version, so this is not what you actually have on your desktop. So it will sync up immediately, and I left very fast, as you saw, and it still saved. This is how you use OneNote. Any questions? Please contact Cyber Royals.